the mousse of chocolate, and you will need the dark chocolate, cream, milk, and sugar. And then you will need some cups for putting in it. So after we'll do cupcakes, and for cupcakes you will need some sprinkle, some sugar, you will need milk, butter at room temperature, vanilla extract, flour, and you will need
eggs.
2 eggs and bicarbonate of soda. So let's start.
When you cut the chocolate in little pieces, you need to put it in
a bowl and then in the oven.
Okay, so now we are putting
The chocolate into the oven. Okay, so now while the chocolate is melting, we will start the cupcakes. You will need a big bowl. Okay, and you will need so 125 grams of sugar. So now we will crack the eggs. 2 eggs. Okay. Now we will put 125 grams of butter at room temperature. So now we will a little bit continue with the mousse, because if not, it's a big mess. So now the chocolate, as you can see, it's melted. It's kind of hot.
Okay, so now as you can see, the mousse is hot, and so now we need to add milk and cream.
No, hai voluto capire.
So since we don't have a lot of time, I will just continue with the cupcakes. Okay, so now that we put the butter, we'll put with those. We will put a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Meanwhile, you add milk here. Okay, so we'll put this quantity. Okay. Now we will need a half teaspoon of milk. Half a teaspoon of milk.
Okay, so here, that is now like this. You add milk and cream. Now you need to add a little bit of sugar. Meanwhile, you are mixing.
So here's milk. We'll add now we'll put a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So just put a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so I used before. I want to see if it's good, because I will make cupcakes that are not good. I'll try it out. It's a little bit floury, so I think I will just a little bit mix it again for a few seconds.
Okay, instead here I put the cream into the chocolate, and this is the perfect mousse. And so now we take some cups and we put it inside, and then we will put it in the fridge.
So here we're finished. We will put our mixture in some containers, and we'll put it into the oven that is preheated about to 170 degrees. Take the spatula and we'll put it inside. So you do want to put lots of mixture in this. So you will put little quantities. Okay, like this. And now we will repeat the process for all the others. Okay, now we'll put the cupcakes in the oven. While the cupcakes are.
So now we need the cups, we need to bring them to the fridge.
And now we will set the cupcakes into the oven. And they are growing. So now we will see if in the oven they're okay. As you can see, some mixture is there, so I will just leave them for see if they are okay with one of those like pasta, because it didn't have like a wooden thing. So I'll put it in, take it out. They are all done. Now we will eat the cupcakes. Then and the mousse are kind of small, so we can call them muffins. Because I didn't put a lot of mixture because there wasn't a lot. And the mousse. Okay, let's see. Really good. There is good. And now the mousse. Okay. You will need 125 grams. Masi! Instead,
No, instead no.
melted. So now we will a little bit continue with the mousse because if not it's a big mess. So now the chocolate, as you can see, it's melted. It's kind of hot.
Okay. Okay, so now